Hello, we're back here for our second Zoom Q&A call. With me is our other partner, Jason McCormick. We're both lawyers at the firm of Tobias McCormick and Comer. We're here today to answer a question that's come up a lot since our last Q&A session. And that covers what is available for businesses who've had to shut down because of the coronavirus and the government mandate shutting down businesses. So Jason, could you kind of tell us, what's out there in the terms of any kind of insurance coverage that would be there for business owners?
Sure. So there's two areas that we're seeing in insurance policies that could provide coverage for businesses that have lost money as a result of not being able to work. The first type is referred to as business interruption coverage, and that is in your policy under a heading that will look something like business interruption coverage. And that is designed to compensate businesses for losses in the event that they are unable to work through no fault of their own, which a lot of businesses are finding themselves in today. The other type of coverage that is out there that is applicable is called civil authority coverage. That type of coverage covers losses that businesses suffer when they aren't able to work because a civil authority, i.e. the state or a city or the federal government, has said businesses in this area cannot work. So those are the two primary areas we're seeing coverage issues arise for businesses that are seeking to recover for their losses.
So say, for instance, like Governor Ivey's latest order that she published this week said that like barbershops and salons cannot reopen. Are those the kinds of businesses that would apply to?
Exactly. Those type of businesses, and it would be, first you have to look in their policies and see if they have the business interruption coverage, see if they have civil authority coverage. But those are exactly the type of businesses that could have losses that are covered by provisions for business interruption or civil authority loss in their insurance policies.
Okay, so say I'm a business owner, whether I own a barbershop or a car dealership or even a restaurant or anything like that, and I've had to shut down because of these government orders. What am I supposed to do as the policy holder to see if I have the coverage and then to act on it?
So the first thing you need to do is get a complete copy of your policy and get your claim submitted. And there are requirements in the policies that will tell you how to do it, tell you who to send the claim to, tell you what documents that the business needs to send to the insurance company. But the businesses need to get that done quickly. Mm-hmm. They also need to make sure that they continue to maintain their financial records or whatever records they will need to rely on to show the losses that they've suffered while they've been shut down. That information needs to be maintained. And after they do those two things, get the claim submitted, make sure that they're continuing to maintain the records. At that point, it's in the insurance company's court to decide whether or not they're going to cover the losses under the policies that a lot of businesses have been paying premiums for years and years on and never made claims on it, or not.
I gotcha. And so then, obviously, if the company pays the claim, then all's well and good. But what recourse do people have if the company won't pay the claim?
Well, if the insurance company is not going to pay the claim, they're in almost every circumstance is going to send you a denial letter. They will put in writing why they're not paying your claim. And once an insurance company does that, you really don't have any recourse other than the court system to try and get the claim paid, because once they've put it in writing and sent it to you, they're not paying the claim. and you need to talk to a lawyer.
Okay. And so what kind of time frame do people have once the claim's denied for talking to a lawyer and ultimately filing suit if it comes to that?
Yeah. So the short answer to that is that the prudent thing for a business owner to do is to talk to a lawyer immediately and have the claim evaluated. The sooner the better. From a statute of limitations standpoint, the two main ones that would apply would be a 2-year statute of limitations on fraud or a 2-year statute of limitations on bad faith denial of an insurance claim. But there may very well be other statutes of limitation as well. So the short answer is if your insurance claim is denied, you need to speak to a lawyer immediately and get it evaluated for a lot of reasons, including complying with statutes of limitation.
Well, sure. And there's going to be a lot of information that the attorney would have to review on the front end to help you evaluate the claim too, which is going to take time. All right. Well, thank you very much, Jason. This has been very informative. We hope that this has answered those of you who've asked us your questions relating to business interruption and civil authority claims. If you have any other questions about that or need us to evaluate a potential claim for you, you can always feel free to email us or call us, and we could even do a video chat like we're doing here. And we're happy to meet with you this way, maintaining our social distance and help evaluate your claim. And if you need to talk to us about any other questions, we're also here. And for next time, if you have additional questions about business interruption claims or any other type of question that we could answer, feel free to email us. Or you can reach Jason at tmclawyers.com or me, Brian at tmclawyers.com, or you can leave questions in the comments below. So thank you very much, and we'll talk with you again soon.